Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you this neck and cervical tracking device that this brand sent to me for this video. Actually, I call it cracking device, not tracking device, because yes, it will pop, but then in good way, in a good way. If you have some neck pain, if you have some neck restraint or some cervical restraint, some shoulders ache or something like that, you gotta try this out, which we're gonna kind of like go on the floor and show it to you. Because the thing is with this one, the best way to use it, it's just laying flat. Don't do it in the bed. Don't do it on a sofa. Don't do it sitting, of course. Just lay flat in the floor if you want. The hardest you can get, the kind of like the horizontal you can get. You can put one of those like gym floors mat if you want, or yoga mats or something like that. That's gonna be really good. But just try to use it in the floor. And it also comes right here with this carry-on bag, so you can actually take it with you if you're going on vacations or if you're practicing this some kind of discipline or something like that, or if you're using it for some other people, you can put it right here in this backpack. But the way that this one is going to work, which I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds with my own neck, is that, let me show you first. And by the way, as you can see, it comes with some kind of elevated point. So if you're laying down and laying flat on the floor like this, you're going to put your neck right here. This is going to be kind of like the soft foam for this for the side of your neck. And this is going to be a strap that is going to be on your forehead. So once you do that, check this out. You have this right here, which let me show you what it does. So you can see that this one keeps moving as much as I'm moving this over here. So that's going to be for kind of like tracking your neck and your cervical. And when you're done, you just press this and that's it. So let's try it out. So I'm not going to put the strap right here because I'm wearing my head and that's where my microphone is. But if you can, just put up the strap. You're going to put your neck down here just like this. You're going to secure it in one position. That is my cat just bothering in the video. And then you're going to grab this and start like cranking or cracking right away. Check this out. So this one is going to start picking up my neck just like this. Oh, it feels nice actually. If you have another person just like doing this and holding your legs, that's gonna be even better. I have to say that this thing, it feels really good. I gotta say that it feels really good. Then I can do this. Oh my God, that is the feel. That is what you need. Oh, come on, Minnie, get out of the. Okay, so this one more time. You're gonna just do this, just like this. Oh, it just cracked. Oh, that felt so nice. So with that being said, just like this, you wait for just a little bit, relax and chill. I'm gonna fall asleep, I think so. It's actually pretty comfortable also. And then, oh my God. That is good. I have to say that is good. I'm gonna do it a few times, but bottom line, this is actually pretty good. A really nice and tracking device or cracking device, however you want to call it, that it will be really good for, again, for any type of restraint or ache or something you have in the back of your head, your shoulders, your cervical, your neck, and then totally recommend it.